Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I just wanted to show you guys great places to find African American designs. So I am on Etsy, but I wanted to show you a couple of shops that you may be familiar with, you may not be familiar with, but some of the designs and things that you see, and you may not know where they come from. I just want to give you a couple of really great shops to look at. So this is Mujka, Mujka Chic, Mujka Chic. I believe she may have two shops on Etsy, but she has her chic line, which is the fashion women you see here, and then she has basically clip arts that are more along the lines of like children's type of designs, but they're very beautiful, very, very fun. So she has her Etsy shop, but she also has her own website. So some of the things that are on Etsy may be priced a little bit differently than things that are on her shop. Sometimes you can see a sale on one, not on the other. She does do a lot of freebies on her personal website, but this is a great shop to check out. If you're looking for her website, it's the same name, Mujka, but it's a .com. You can see it right here at the top of the screen, mujka-cliparts.com. So that's a great place to find a lot of items when you're looking, especially for women, Ankara, fashion. If you've seen these things pop up over and over again, this is one of the places that people are finding these designs. So I wanted to show you guys that. Alright, the next shop I want to show, and I'm not putting these in any particular order. This is just the way I pulled them up, so this is how I am showing it. So this is the next shop, and this is Feathers of Love. Now this is the sister shop to Feathers of Style, but I've used this item, which I love. I think I've gotten a couple from them, but I can't remember all the ones now. This one in particular, I said I love it. When I got this, I got it as an SVG, and I was able to go in and change the color of the coat. So I've made some alterations to this and saved it as my own print then cut in different ways. I like files that I can go in and change, and I don't just have to use them the way that they're given to me, but the way it's already presented is beautiful in and of itself. But I do like having options like that. So this is Feather of Love, again, sister shop to Feathers of Style. So this is one of my favorites. I haven't purchased this one yet, but I really do love this design. So that's that, Feathers of Love. The next one, I figured I might as well hop over to Feathers of Style since I was already on Feathers of Love. Everybody pretty much knows about Feathers of Style. This is one of the favorites that people have. The Denim Girls and the Sorority Girls are probably the ones that I have. There are lots of really great designs. Sometimes I try not to go overboard because I could own them all. They are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful designs. But she always comes up with something new. She has something for Valentine's Day coming up. She has something for so many occasions. And she's doing a lot more designs for men. You can see the men clip art down here. But she has something for everybody. Fashion, men's collections, build it yourself, all of that. She also has a Facebook group. So she shows you about her newsletter, and if you go over to Facebook, she does have a group. I like being in her group. I'm not on Facebook all the time, but sometimes I can pop in and pop out. But what I like about the group is there's a lot of people showing you what they've done with the different designs, different things. So it's a lot of fun. She also gives out freebies in her groups and things like that. So hop over to the group, see what she has, buy from her. She has a lot of great items. All right, Glam Marks. I love this shop too. She has a lot of beautiful items, and you know, whatever you purchase depends on whatever your design aesthetic is. Some people want different looking things. Some people want self-care, self-love, which is what you see here. Some people want a little bit more bougie, which might be what you see, or luxury on Feathers of Style. So it depends on what you're looking for. But she has a lot of self-care, journaling focus, girls time. She has a lot of lovely items on here. So I do really love this shop. So if you get a chance, check her out as well. And I definitely own that one, and I love that one. I did a couple of cards with that design. And paired her with a man from somewhere else. I can't remember right now. But a lot of great designs with that. Okay, so if you like things that already are put together for you, this is a nice shop to buy from. It's very beautiful, very colorful, and they already have words and things put together for you. So you don't have to try too hard. You don't have to try to put things together and figure out fonts and all that. It's done for you. This is very pretty, very pretty. So yeah, so if you don't want to figure it out, you don't want to have to do all the designing, some of these things can be done for you. So let me see. This is Digital Sky Art. And I actually went back through my purchases to try to see where I got things from so that I could show you these are shops that I used. Okay, this next one is Designs by Amara. And she actually has a website too, I believe, if I remember correctly. So she has a lot of fun designs, and she has a lot of different designs. So if you want couples, yeah, she has a lot of fun designs. And I was trying to think about which ones I actually purchased from her. I think I purchased a couple from her. But if you're looking for specifically women, you can click on Afro Woman, and all these pop up on the side, and you can, choose from what you want. I think that's, I definitely had this one. I did a recipe book for somebody. That was a lot of fun, and if I get a chance, I'll show you guys what I did to put that together. But when I was doing my journals and all of that, I created a recipe book for a local chef. And so that, again, that was just a lot of fun. And then last but not least, this one is the Clip Art House. I actually purchased this design. This was beautiful. I did a Christmas card a few years ago with that one. Might have been a couple of years ago with that one. But they have a lot of great designs as well. A lot of faith-filled designs, beautiful black woman images. So yeah, this is another great one. Again, this was in no particular order. This is not all exhaustive. There are tons and tons of places that you can get these images. I just wanted to show you a few that I have used, and I hope that you can have fun with it, design with it, make something beautiful. If you have a shop that you really love, please share it. Drop it in the description box. Tell us what you're using. Because I would love to support some of these designers and use a lot of their artwork. So thank you guys. Have a good day. Hope this helps somebody.